Hello, EDCI 704 candidates. Dr. Palermo with the week 5 video in this short summer session. It may be panic time as we're halfway through to the end of the 10-week short session. But I hope that you're coming along and making good progress on your CNA-B and your PEB. I know for many of you, school has just let out. Maybe the teacher work days are done. I don't know. But I hope that you'll have more time to devote to yourself, to family, to friends, to your graduate work. So we're coming up on our second weekend, the long weekend next week, June 24, 25, and 26 in Goldsboro. And again, my big deal for you this week is make sure that you're ready with a good draft of your CNAB and PEB for a peer review, a critical friends kind of peer review process next weekend. So working hard on that, I know. In the meantime, you do have some readings to do in Fitzpatrick. Again, I hope that this stuff is really helpful and pertinent to your program evaluation. The sample plan design for a questionnaire on page 428 in chapter 16. Again, this is all about diving deeper into your PE and the plan to analyze the data that you're going to collect on your program. And it's frankly also a good prep for some of you for your dissertation work. So the table 16.1 I noticed in 428 breaks down the type of questions you're asking, like a research question, the tool or the method that's going to be used to answer that question, and the types of statistical analysis that they're going to do. So again, that shows how with a Likert scale on a survey, you might have descriptive statistics showing percentages and again, that kind of descriptive statistics, but maybe then you're going to also look at some correlation or compare with a t-test. So you should, again, be your practitioner scholars, folks. Not expecting you to be statisticians or psychometricians, but get enough out of this information to know how you want to approach the methodology to answer your research questions for your research. Right. So Erdan and Creswell sometimes are confusing, but you should be generating questions about your topic that you're turning into research questions that you're going to try to answer with the methodology. So this summer we should be uncovering enough about your research questions, your topic, and your dissertation interest in order to think about what kinds of methodology will answer those questions. I hope when you're reading your other research studies, and I want you to read another one, that you're thinking through methodology, that you're looking for similar studies to your idea, that you're thinking about, well, if they used Pearson's correlation to look at the comparison of counselors' attitudes and their outcomes, maybe I can do that too. Okay. So do steal from the best and copy where it's appropriate, please, especially as far as methodology. There's nothing copyrighted about that. So I've strayed from program evaluation, but chapter 16 and 17 in Fitzpatrick this week should be helping you think about the methodology that you're going to use in completing your program evaluation. The various means and methods of data collection, document review, observation, survey, telephone, interviews, focus groups, tests. This is good stuff in here that will force you to think through how you're going to do your PE, how you're going to write up your PEB to conduct the program evaluation in C in the fall. So it's about the data and reporting the results. Good stuff, again, from Fitzpatrick. Do bring your textbooks along next week. I may refer to them in some way, shape, and form. Erdan this week is on Pearson's correlation, and again, that's a methodology that many of you may use with your survey data. And then tests, t-tests, important stuff on that. So the statistical assistance this week is with scatter plots. And I don't have Java loaded, so I wasn't able to pull that one up, but I was able to pull this one up. And you're looking for your best line of fit. if you're thinking about correlation and need a simple way to think about it, scatter plots and the best line of fit shows us when there's a positive correlation. Okay, so that's the kind of depth of understanding that I want you to know. Do use these discussion boards as a way to generate questions that you'll bring to our session next week, I hope, and that we'll try to puzzle them out and answer together. If I don't have all the answers, I'll find them for you. We'll get the answers. So you do have readings and some responses to do here. Your thoughts, please, about the PLPA and how you're going to use data from your CNAB to generate the need for professional learning in your district. That's the whole school district or group of schools. And again, we've got another week for you to prep, to read, to work, to write, and get ready for our long weekend together. We will start early on Friday. It's a long 3 days, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and I'll have more information for you about the specifics of the weekend next week. Thanks. Have a great week.